In relation to a pre-poll violence of the 12th Manipur Vidhan Sabha election, a worker of Wangkhem Kendra BJP candidate Yumnam Nabachandra allegedly assaulted NPP candidate Kharibam Jiban Singh at gunpoint. Faudem Youth Club Secretary MD Salimuddin declared that Y Nabachandra is hereby banned from areas under the club until the matter is resolved. He made the statement at the press meet held at Fauden Maya Lekai by the said club. He stated that the two involved candidates had come to attend a marriage ceremony of one Abdul Wajid's daughter when a disagreement broke out between the two, after which one of Nabachandra's workers suddenly pointed a gun at Jiban. The scuffle was taken into control by the people present in the function. MD Salimuddin, however, expressed discontent and dissatisfaction at candidate Nabachandra and his workers' failure to present themselves at the meeting held afterwards to resolve the issue. Hence, the resolution to ban Nabachandra from areas under the club was taken up by the executive committee of the club until the matter is discussed and resolved.